All right. Welcome back to another episode of Brett's Connects and Collects, y'all. Let's go. Definitely hyped to get into the video here with y'all today. Got quite the smorgasbord of items and sets to be getting into today. Just the way I like it here. We've got Pokeball tin from CVS, actually. This is my first time picking up something from CVS in a while. It's A22. So this should have Evolving Skies, fingers crossed. Let's see. We also have some premium check lane blisters here for Surging Sparks, Temporal Forces, just a few items that I picked up for the Cosmos Holo Foil. Y'all know how I like to complete my master sets. It's hype. We also got some Crown Zenith peeking its head around the corner here to the right, and at the top in the center, taking the center stage, we have Prismatic Evolutions, y'all. So definitely hyped to get into the video with y'all here today once again on another episode of Brett's Connects and Collects. So what have y'all been getting into and opening recently? Would love to hear it in the comments. Today is, let me see here, we got January the 24th on a Friday. I'm recording this video here. And Prismatic Evolutions came out about a week ago. And as we see, we have that featured right here in the ETB. Beautiful ETB. I really must say that I like this ETB a lot. All the gems going across the crown here, so to speak, and just really neat. So we also have a Paldea Evolved Elite Trainer box. And arguably some of the best sets, if not the best sets, in Sword and Shield. We have Paldea Evolved, Prismatic Evolution, Surging Sparks. So, let's go. But yeah, like I was saying, what have you guys been opening up lately? Prismatic Evolution has been out for about a week here. And in typical fashion, you know, I like to open up a little bit of everything, right? And so I think it's important for me as well as you to remember that the newest thing isn't just the only thing. You know, there's a lot of availability, and it's good to have some variety, you know. Variety is the spice of life. That is right, y'all. So definitely glad to be able to add Prismatic to this opening today. But as well, glad to get into a lot of these other sets. Plenty of chase in them as well. This Pokeball, I'm super stoked to get into. I got this from CVS. Like I said, I haven't gotten anything from CVS in like a really long time. Gosh, look at the wrapping on this, y'all. Finally got it off. Let's break it down, y'all, and bring it down, shall we? Get a little up close and personal, right? So we have this Pokeball here. Let's see what we have inside. Oh my God, it's Pokemon Go. Yo, I cannot believe that. I did not know this is a Pokemon Go. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I spent $20 on this, y'all. This is so crazy. Well, here we go. Haven't opened this set in a pretty long time, though. Is this? Oh, this is Sword and Shield, so I have to do the pack trick. This should be the energy right here. Right. Okay, I'm back on track. Love that Squirtle, though. You know what? This is actually kind of cool. I'm alright with this. I was kind of gonna try to bash it at first for a second there, but now that we're getting into it, I mean, Beautiful artwork on this Squirtle. I haven't seen these cards in a while. It is cool to open up packs from, like, you know, different generations. This is Sword and Shield. But Barrel with the Smeargle there. I love cards with multiple Pokemon on them. Velocipede Hollow. So you know what? This is actually totally worth it for me here. I love this card art right there. I do believe I have the Pokemon Go Master Set about 90% complete. Only missing like some of the hyper rares. I do have all of the reverse hollows, I believe. All right, let's see what we got. I'm not gonna lie, this Eradicate looks very menacing. Charizard, reverse hollow. Cool. And Alolan Execute. That is a reverse rare right there, so go ahead and sleeve that up. Cool to see a V card again. All right. But yeah, what are y'all opening up out there? Or where do you like to shop at a lot? Just to kind of run down some of the places that I found out through the years are best to go for Pokemon. And then also some new places to go that I found out about. Ace Hardware. If you guys have an Ace Hardware in your state or area, believe it or not, they do have Pokemon cards, or just like any kind of larger chain hardware store. You'd be surprised. Melmetal. Also, Best Buy. I found some sleeper pulls from Best Buys. Barnes & Noble. Walgreens, y'all. Don't sleep on your Walgreens. You'd be surprised what you can find there. Let me see, what else? Getting into this Paldea Evolved Elite Trainer box. I'm hearing Dollar Tree is actually popping off with a lot of really great single packs, like blisters of either Paldea Evolved, Surging Sparks, just really good sets. So check out your Dollar Trees. Lovely promo that comes with this ETB. Definitely like how the ETBs in general come with promos. Pretty cool feature of the new Scarlet and Violet generation. Take a look at this lovely trainer. Black Star promo featuring all of the starters. We have Fuecoco, Sprigatito, Quaxley, and Pikachu shining bright in the middle. Let's go. Alright, I definitely needed those pack sleeves, so. One of the neat things that I do with all my eBay orders is I also include a few card sleeves. You know, you never know who's picking up, and it could be a new collector and such, so just a little. All right, here we go with the packs, yo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each Elite Trainer box comes with 9 booster packs in the Scarlet and Violet generation. Wow, so there's actually 5 pack arts for this particular generation. I mean, this particular set within the generation. We have Chimpao EX here on the left, Skeledirge, something here, Meowscarada, and Quaquaval, I believe. I try to memorize the names of these Pokemon, especially the newer ones. I think this is some kind of POW too, but I can't. Lupao or. But let's see what we got here, y'all. A lot of value in the ETBs within these generations. You know, it comes with sleeves, comes with promos. Talonflame. Ceruledge, love that card. Luxray Hollow. Alright. So where are some sleeper places that you feel like you can pick up Pokemon booster packs from? I've actually had a lot of success at Dollar General as well as Dollar Tree. You know, of course, there's the Walmarts and the Targets, but I tend to find that those Bellybolt EX, nice. I tend to find that those locations are like picked clean for whatever reason. Definitely got to shout out GameStop. You know, GameStop just hasn't really had a lot of stock of anything recently. So hopefully that changes. $49. You need one card. Ting Lu, maybe? All right. Iono. Veluza. Moving on along. But yeah, what are some of the stores that you found that, you know, are kind of off the beaten path or maybe not as well known? Love to hear it in the comments. Graphite. So far, we've got one EX out of this Elite Trainer box. Can we get something else? Nimble. Oh, there we go. Nice SIR pull. Special illustration rare Dendra. Sweet. I don't know if I have this one yet. I really hope I don't. I love adding cards to my master set. Any other duplicates I tend to sell on eBay. You know, but I do want to consider getting into grading cards. And a Fortress EX in the back. Nice double hit banger out of that pack, yo. Love it when you see that. Now, what's really cool about the newest set, Prismatic Evolutions, I believe you can get like 3 hits out of there possible. So it's pretty sick. Very nice looking card. A little whitening here on the top. I don't know. I'm trying to get like a better eye of like looking at cards and things like that. Like I said, with the interest of grading. But let's go on that hit, yo. Love to pull a SIR. Grusha. Giacomo. Jump Love. That'd be cool if all three of the cards were trainers in that last pack. That'd be funny. Like reverse holo trainer, and then holo trainer. Alright, last two packs out of Paldea Evolved, yo. Let's go. Skipping a few cards. Oh, Gyarados holo. I do love this holo, y'all. Look at how this holo hits. It's like a vortex of water and like, yeah. Blue is my favorite color, so I tend to be like a sucker for the water type Pokemon, or just like any card that has blue in it. Is anybody else like that? Last pack of Paldea Evolved here. Let's see. Superior Energy Retrieval. Abomasnow. Definitely cool card. I use this card a lot in the TCG. You can use this card only if you discard 2 other cards from your hand, and then put up to 4 basic energy cards from your discard pile into your hand. Nice. Alright, moving on along here. Let's see what we got. So I want to do a little preface before the Surging Sparks ETB. The Surging Sparks ETB I have actually never opened yet. I mean, these ETBs are even hard to find. I think they're being sold for like $80 or something online. Like, it's so crazy. Pokemon needs to print like a whole lot more. I really hope that they do. Yeah. Yo, these things are hard. I have never like really pulled something big out of one of these packs, so that'd be cool if we get something crazy today. And the main reason I get these are called premium check lane blisters, is because they include like exclusive items, specifically this kind of Cosmos Full Holo. You see with all the dots on there. And then also we got a neat little coin included right here. Pretty cool Dragonite coin. Stellar Crown and some Surging Sparks. Let's go. Haven't opened up either one of these sets in a while, so. Choodle, love that Choodle card. Lechonk. I love this Lechonk card. This is so cool. Lechonk is one of the newest Pokemon from this generation. Jirachi. Archaludon. Alright, not too crazy there. Moving on to Surging Sparks. Love this pack art, though, with Latios and Latias. I wish I knew how to tell the difference between the two. To be honest with y'all, I don't know which one is which. As far as Latios versus Latias. Alright, what do we got? Glamora. Togekiss. Hollow. Ah, this Vigoroth looks funny. Gotta love the normal cards too, y'all. It's not just about the big money cards, man. There's a lot going on, a lot of magic. Blitzel. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. I've been wanting to pull this card too. This is sick. Yo, let's go. This Ceruledge is freaking sick. I love this art style. Wow. Really cool. Rapska Hollow in the back. So little of this set I've opened up, so definitely hype. Whew, look how that thing shines, yo. This is an illustration rare Ceruledge from Scarlet and Violet Surging Sparks. All right. And so with that being said, let's actually move into a Surging Sparks Elite Trainer box, shall we? First time opening up this particular Elite Trainer box. So going to be cool to see the promo. I totally forgot what the promo is. I think it's a like a Magneton from the Magnemite line. We shall see. Love the box art on this kind of stuff, though. Yeah, Magneton. There we go. Beautiful artwork by Shinji Kanda, I believe. Yep. One of my favorite artists. So, definitely hyped for that. All right. All right. Beautiful pack arts. We got the Pikachu, Latios, Alolan Zexzor, and Archelodon. All right, first pack of the ETB is Surging Sparks. Let's see what we got. Oh, there goes that Vigoroth card again. Clavipus, like that card though. Archeludon EX, nice. Keep it rolling, yo. Holy snake! I just tore that pack apart, yo. Ain't nothing in there. Oh, Terapicos. Hollow. I don't know. This pack feels kind of ice cold, y'all. Might have a heater. I think this is so weird to have a card with a person with their shirt off, though. I don't know. Just my opinion. Slack off on the art rare. Love this kind of derpy art style. This Oricaro is actually pretty cute, too. That Landorus. Love art rares like this. Yeah, I think in general, just like a lot of stores are still coming off of like, the post-holiday boom. So the availability is just not really there right now. But I think it will eventually build up over time. Still just new after the new year. Would highly like to recommend that anybody out there watching these videos, and if you're seeing inflated prices like on eBay or TCG Player or Facebook Marketplace, just... Ooh, I like that Palkia reverse holo, though. Flamingo. Cool looking EX, though. Anybody who's seen those inflated prices, try not to be discouraged. I do really feel like there's going to be a lot more availability coming up here soon. So just try to hold fast and not give in to those higher prices. I've been there. I've done that. It's not worth it. For example, the Shining Fate ETB, sure, they're $60. Maybe even they're $70 right now, right? But I bought the bulk of my Shining Fates ETBs for around like $38. So definitely less than 40. And that was like after they had been out for at least a year. But I remember when they first came out, I was paying like $110, $100. It's just not worth it, man. Let's fight the FOMO. Fight the FOMO. Yeah, because honestly, I don't think we need to fight the scalpers, I think the battle is better won within. Terra Orb, I do like that reverse holo. I use that a lot in the TCG. It allows you to search your deck for a Terra Pokemon. And I've recently started playing the Flareon EX deck. Pretty good. But you do have to use a Terra Pokemon. Either Terra Eevee or Terra Flareon. Let's see what we got on the last pack of the ETB. Nothing. Not too bad, though. I think on that ATB we got like 2 EXs and 1 art rare. That's pretty good. 3 hits out of 9 packs. Let's go. So far, the Paldea Evolved ETB has been the highlight with that Dendra full art. I mean, special illustration rare, as well as a couple of art rares. That was a really good ETB. Let me see. That was out of Surging. Yeah, so we got an EX, special illustration rare, and EX. 3 pulls. So 3 pulls out of each. 3 pulls out of each ETB actually so far. So not too bad. What if I need that Rayquaza? That'll be sick. So this seller that gave me these packs of Crown Zenith included this card. I don't think I have this card. Sword and Shield 29. Beautiful hollow Black Star promo though. Alright, let's see what we got out of Crown Zenith here. Figured I'd kind of do an opening differently. A lot of times I've been seeing Prismatic Evolution opening, you know, just featuring Prismatic only. And I thought it'd be nice to do something a little bit different and include like other sets along with the Prismatic and kind of save that as like, you know, the cherry on the top, right? So let's see. I'm certainly starting to get more excited for opening the Prismatic ETB as I go along with the opening here. I will be honest though, it's been one of the hardest things not opening that ETB since it's been like sitting there. But Lycanroc, Charizard V, pretty cool. Definitely cool to see some of like these older cards, the V's, the V Maxes. Hopefully we can get something out of the trainer gallery here, or the Galarian gallery. Now, for the Sword and Shield generation, Crown Zenith was actually the last set of the Sword and Shield. One of the best sets in my opinion. Double. Last pack of Crown Zenith, y'all. What can we get here? We will see. In the meantime, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Definitely hope y'all are enjoying. Please like the video and subscribe to the subscribe to the channel if you'd like. And I know that there'll be something on the videos that y'all will like out there. So I appreciate y'all checking in. Oh, Manthe. Nice. We did get a Galarian art. I love this card. It's got several. This is a Temple. Picky Peck. Love cards like this where it has multiple Pokemon. Leon Hollow in the back. All right. Leading up to the moment we've all been waiting for. Prismatic Evolutions. Yo, this set is so hype right now. So hype. And appropriately so. I mean, there's a lot going on in the hobby right now. A lot. I mean, you have Journey Together, which is an actual series. The new Pokemon anime. What else? You have Pokemon Pocket. just a slew of things that are releasing recently. And love the promo in this set, though. Look at the Sleepy Eevee. But yeah, a lot of things going on. I would like for them to come out with another movie. It's been a while since we've had a movie, but we'll see. But yeah, so I mean, the hype definitely makes sense. You know, I think it's just an issue of, you know, unmet demand. We got 9 packs. We got them all. So let's see what we can get, y'all. Wish me luck. Got these ETBs from, or got this ETB rather, from GameStop. Shout out to GameStops. Power to the players. Let's go. Riolu, Leafeon, Hollow. But yeah, I got them at GameStop. Had a crazy cool time waiting in line and, you know, chatting with a lot of the people there. I just kind of pulled a bunch of cards out on accident, the back two. So we do have a Hollow Energy and a Jolteon. Love the hollows out of this card. I mean, out of this set, though. We still don't know what's in the back, so let's go. Uh-oh, we got a Pokeball, Janine's Secret Art, and Glass Trumpet. I do love that the Pokeballs have texture on them. Like, it's so neat, actually. And the texture goes all the way through the card. Like, it's on another level, y'all. All right, we got this pack still intact. Scoop Up Cyclone. Fluttermane. Aromatisse. I love this card, though. And this Pokemon just looks so neat and, like, different. I think this is a new Pokemon from this generation. I'm not sure. I like the Diplin and the Applin line. Definitely like that Heatran a lot. Ursaluna. Slowpoke. Time. Full Art. Alright. Full Art Trainer. I've definitely seen plenty of ETB openings without even one of these, so definitely hype. Another one of those full energies there. I do want to build a complete like set of 4 of each hollow energies. Just to kind of, but do Pokeball. Yo, this card is sick in the TCG right now because of that Itchy Pollen move. Festival Ground. But yeah, like, to play the TCG Live, you need to have energies in your deck. And I want to build like a deck where all my energies are hollow. So... Slowpoke, love that card. Eevee. Spritzy. Espeon, Reverse Hollow. Really nice card on that Espeon. It's my first time seeing that. Habenberry and Okidogi. Last 3 packs, y'all. Can we get something cool here in the last 3? 3 is my favorite number. What's y'all's favorite number? Baneri, really cool card there. Yeah, Sylveon Hollow. Pheasant Dip and Do. A shout out to Pokecuz on YouTube. I love how he calls the Pheasant Dippity card whenever he pulls it. Pheasant Dip and Do. I just think it's funny. There goes that Badoo. Causing havoc. Suicune. Oh, we got Archaludon Pokeball. Yeah, see, there's even texture like right on the card itself. Professor's Toro. Oh, Umbreon EX, yo, let's go. Nice. Discard that one. Take your prize. Nice. This is actually a pretty dope card, yo. I love these freaking Terastallized EXs, yo. Let's go. Umbreon EX with the Pokeball. Nice last pack, yo. All right, let's take a recap of the hits. Quite the opening today. Kind of wanted to do a pretty solid last hooray. Or big hooray. So 6 hits out of that ETB. 1 full art. 3 Pokeballs. So we've got the hit recap on the ETB for Prismatic Evolutions. Archaludon Pokeball. Badoo Pokeball. Jasmine's Janine's Secret Art Pokeball. Scoop Up Cyclone. A-Spec. Time. Trainer Full Art. And the Umbreon EX. Nice. As well, from some of our other pack openings, we pulled the Manaphy. Art Rare. Charizard. Definitely one of the highlights of the opening for me today. At Ceruledge. Fortress. Dendra. Almost forgot about this card by this point. Special illustration rare, y'all. Let's go. Bellybolt. EX. Executor V. Charizard. Reverse Hollow. So out of today's opening, I don't know how many packs we had. 1, 2. Let's go. Well, I appreciate y'all tuning in once again on another episode of Brett's Connects and Collects. Until next time, y'all. Peace.